Okay, you want to know? Let me tell you. I did open the case. I did open the case. I'm not doing this just because I am mad. No, I am running out of options here now. And the wisdom of God is running through me now. Now let me tell you, I did open the case. The case I opened was closed without even a trial. Like in a blink of an eye. So what else do you want to know? Because we don't have much time now. If anyone wants to know anything, you can call me. You can call me. I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding. I'm not a terrorist. And I'm not willing to behave like one. This is why what I say in public. This is not maybe a hijack story. No. This happened. This is happening, and I am real, as you can see. I am human. You can touch me. You can call me. You wanna call me? You can call me. My number is 064-899-1727. You can call that number. You can find me anytime, all day long, 24/7. Believe me. I don't know what else to say, because I'm tired now. I wanna rest. I am tired. I get tired easily. On a very short notice. Because I don't know how much time I have. And so do you. We don't know how much time we have, all of us. That's all I can say. It becomes all of us because I told you I am one. Whatever you do to me, you do to everyone. And however, whenever I respond to everyone. Because we are one. That is all I know about humanity. Therefore, isn't that the human element of all? Isn't that how we live? One for another? Yeah. So let's do this. Let's do this. Either you do me good or I do you harm. Because you did me harm when I did you good. Let's play it fair. Okay? Let's play it fair. I don't wanna hear stories because I accepted my fate. As you can see me. You see, I broke hell. I broke hell. I know hell when I see one. And believe me when I tell you that I am one. Not of a kind